phenomenon of secularism and its understanding. Part 2. Definition of secularism. The term secularism comes from the Latin root seculum, which refers to worldliness, focusing on material life rather than spiritual or religious matters. It emphasizes attention to this worldly existence, often in contrast to concern for the afterlife. In Arabic-speaking contexts, however, the word secularism has often been translated as a term that suggests a connection to science or rational inquiry. This translation is widely considered inaccurate, as secularism is not inherently related to scientific knowledge or methodology. A more accurate translation in Islamic contexts would be, meaning non-religiosity or absence of religion. Several reference sources offer definitions that clarify the concept. The Encyclopaedia Britannica defines secularism as a social movement that aims to shift people's attention from the afterlife to concern with worldly affairs. Webster's Dictionary explains secularism as the belief that religion should be removed from government, education, and moral systems. It promotes the idea that human reason, rather than religious faith, is the basis for guidance and salvation. As a result, secularism denies the existence or relevance of supernatural and metaphysical beliefs. These definitions reflect the core idea behind secularism: to separate religion from public institutions and to base human life on reason, rather than divine guidance.